To tell you the truth, this is no ordinary tomato. This is a tomato that I got thanks to a supplement that almost no one talks about, and once you discover it, you will definitely use it every year. But first, tell me in the comments, have you ever had a tomato as sweet as a watermelon? Friends, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for every new video. Let's go to the video right away. Today, we are talking about the best supplement for tomatoes that can increase yield so much that you will wonder how it is possible. You will not find this technique in every book or on the first page of Google. Today, we will go through step by step how to prepare the plants so that each flowering branch bears fruit to the very top. The key is in the combination of 3 ingredients that together create a real miracle in the soil. They feed the roots, stimulate flowering, and help the plant withstand heat and drought. But you will have to stay until the end to find out the exact measurements and sequence. Here's how to make it. 1 tablespoon of wood ash, a source of potassium and phosphorus for flowering. 1 spoon of sugar, quick energy for microorganisms in the soil. 1 liter of lukewarm water to connect and activate everything. Stir until dissolved. Water around the roots and repeat once every 15 days. The result? Tomatoes are sweet, juicy, and ripe to the very top of the stem. Give it a try and let me know how many pounds you've gained this year. Maybe break your personal record. Friends, send this video to your friends on social networks. Thank you for that.